Guys, Pasibo na naman. Cebu Pacific.
Final call for boarding once again. Final call for boarding for the last departing of Cebu passengers on Cebu Pacific Flight 58979. Final call for Mr. Alex Serrano Jr., Mr. Guron Laroa, and Mr. Yogi Tabonicaro. This is your final call to order. Come down to boarding gate number 119. Once again, boarding gate number 119, this is your final call for please.
Biron Larua, wala.
Ako lang dyan.
Si Uboy. Tatawag yun. 30 minutes yun.
Tinawag na ngayon agad eh.
Biron Larua.
Bakagan tayo, bakagan. Kahit tayo ng bakagan ba? Yung ulo nga. Yung ulo yung ulo ng baboy. Isang kaldero naman lang.